Hey there, art lovers. Ever felt stressed and just needed an escape? Well, today's video is all about helping you relax through the magic of coloring. We'll be diving into the serene world of ocean animals, and trust me, it's the perfect way to unwind. Now, I know many of you are juggling a lot of work, family, endless to-do lists, and finding a moment of peace seems impossible, right? But what if I told you that in just a few minutes, you can melt away that stress and tap into your creative side? Sounds good. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the problem stress. It's everywhere and it's affecting our health and happiness. Coloring can be a simple yet powerful way to combat this. It's not just for kids, it's a proven method to calm the mind and boost focus. All right, let's begin our journey. Grab your coloring pencils or markers and let's bring to life some beautiful ocean animals. Picture a majestic sea turtle gliding through the water or a playful dolphin leaping over waves. The key here is to lose yourself in the process. Don't worry about perfection. This is your escape, your time to relax. As you color, feel the tension in your body start to ease. Focus on the gentle strokes, the way the colors blend and create something beautiful. Let the calming tunes in the background guide your rhythm. Breathe in deeply, exhale slowly. You see, the act of coloring ocean animals isn't just about the end result, it's about the journey. It's about giving yourself permission to slow down and enjoy the moment. And when you do, you'll find that your stress starts to drift away like waves receding from the shore. So here's the resolution. By the end of this video, you'll not only have created a stunning piece of art, but you'll also have a clearer mind and a lighter heart. You've taken a small but significant step towards a more relaxed and balanced life. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you deserve these moments of peace. Until next time, keep coloring, keep relaxing, and keep embracing the beauty of life. See you soon.